Hey, it's Jeff, Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. Today is Saturday, September 9th, 2023. I'm here in Virginia at Kilo 1299, First State Landing State Park, and Kilo 4567, the Captain John Smith Chesapeake National Historic Trail. I have confirmed that this is a Two-Fer from the state's mapping coordinator. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Again, I'm going to be using the FX4 CR radio at 20 watts. I also have the 9 amp hour. Oh, here comes the rain. Oh boy. So we just had a rainstorm come through. It's been raining on and off. It seems to have let up a little bit, but a little drizzle, not even that much right now. So we're going to get on the air, try to activate this park on 20 meters, maybe 40 meters, I don't know. It'll be quick before more rain comes. So stick around and let's see what's going to happen together. Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu, park to park.
Juliet Romeo Zulu, hey, you're 5'9" from 3751.
QSL the 5'9" from 3751. I'm a Two-Fer. You're a 5'5", 5'5" from Kilo 1299. Kilo 1299. Second park, Kilo 4567. Second park, Kilo 4567. QSL.
1299, 4567, buddy. Have a great activation. 73.
All right, you too, 7-3.
73, hey, Whiskey Delta 4, Delta Alpha,
Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. Is this frequency in use? CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu from Kilo 1299 and Kilo 4567. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air.
Park to park.
Park to park. Go ahead.
This is Victor Echo 9 Tango Lima in Park Victor Echo 0793 QSL.
Victor Echo 9 Tango Lima in Park Victor Echo 0793 QSL.
QSL, yeah, and your visual report is a 4-5.
QSL the 4-5. You're a 5'5", 5'5" to Kilo 1299, Kilo 1299, and Kilo 4567. Kilo 4567. QSL.
QSL 73.
All right, good luck with your activation. 73. Kilo 1299 and Kilo 4567. CQ Parks on the air.
Romeo Oscar Yankee.
Romeo Oscar Yankee Station. Need your full call sign.
Kilo 8 Romeo Oscar Yankee.
Kilo 8 Romeo Oscar Yankee. You're a 5'6" here to Kilo 1299 and Kilo 4567. QSL.
QSL, I've got you at a 5'9" into Illinois.
QSL the 5'9" from Illinois. Thank you for the contact. 73.
73.
This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. CQ Parks on the air.
Victor Alpha 3, Alpha Oscar.
All right, the Victor Alpha 3 station first.
Victor Alpha 3,
Victor Alpha 3, India Alpha Hotel. You're a 4'5" here to Virginia, Kilo 1299 and Kilo 4567. QSL. All right, thank you for the contact. 73. On the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. CQ Parks on the air.
Oscar 4, Victor Yankee Tango.
Kilo Oscar 4, Victor Yankee Tango. QSL.
QSL. You're a 5'5" into Central Florida. QSL.
QSL the 5-5 from Central Florida. You're a 5-4 here to Virginia, Kilo 1299 and Kilo 4567. QSL?
QSL, the 1299 and the 4567. Thanks so much. Have a great activation.
All right, thank you very much for the contact, 73. QRZ parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu from Kilo 122 and 1299 and Kilo 4567. Before the rain comes, CQ parks on the air.
Charlie, park to park.
November 1, Charlie, park to park. Go ahead.
Okay, QSL, and I've got you 5 and 959, and I'm doing 3 parks today in the state of Kansas, Kilo Sierra. My first park is Kilo 4566, 4566. My second park is Kilo 4576, 4576. And my third park is Kilo 4579, 4579, QSL.
QSL, I got all 3 of those parks. You're a 5-5 here to Virginia, Kilo 1299 and Kilo 4567.
All right, Roger. Thank you very much for the 2-fer today, and I hope you have a great activation, 73.
All right, thank you for the 3-fer, and hope you have a good activation too, 73. QRZ parks on the air. 0 November Sierra Station again. All right, November Echo 0 November Sierra, got you. You're a 4-5 here to Virginia, Kilo 1299 and Kilo 4567. QSL, November Echo 0 November Sierra, I got you. All right, thank you for the contact. There's someone making some noise on top of you, but thank you for the contact, 73. 9 and Kilo 4567. CQ parks on the air. Foxtrot Station, again, there was someone making some noise on top of you. Whiskey 0, Whiskey Delta Foxtrot, got you. You're a 5-4 here to Virginia, Kilo 1299 and Kilo 4567.
QSL, you're 5-9 into Iowa. I'm actually running off a ham-stick dipole. I'm portable at a campground on the river.
Very cool, very cool. I am using half a ham stick dipole, basically. Just one ham stick from the roof of my SUV.
Well, it's working for you. You got an excellent signal into Iowa. I'll let you go ahead and work some more. W0, WDF.
All right, thank you for the contact. Have a good rest of the weekend, and 7-3. Was there a park to park?
Roger, park to park.
All right, park to park. I need your call sign again. There was some noise on top of you. Kilo 2 Alpha Hotel, QSL. Kilo 2 Alpha Hotel, Kilo 2 Alpha Hotel, QSL. QSL the 5-3 from 6628. You're a 5-4 here to Virginia, Kilo 1299 and Kilo 4567.
Roger, thanks for the contact.
All right, good luck with your activation, 73. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. Anyone else out there before I pack up, before it starts pouring on me? CQ Parks on the air.
Whiskey 6, Bravo, Delta.
Whiskey 6 Bravo Delta George, good to hear you. You're a 5-8 here to Virginia, Kilo 1299 and Kilo 4567.
Copy of 5858 QSL.
Roger.
Roger.
Okay, you're about a 5-3 Kilo Sierra.
QSL, the 5-3 from Kansas. Thank you for the contact again. Have a good weekend, 7-3.
73.
All right, guys, it's starting to pick up a little bit here with the rain, so I'm going to go QRT before another storm passes through. Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu going QRT. Well, I'm going to talk while I pack up. So I kind of waited a little while, probably about an hour, sitting in my car with the AC on. It is hot and humid here in Virginia. Wanted to get this activation done. I could have stopped here on the way back to Delaware tomorrow, but I kind of didn't want to do that. I just wanted to get the park activated today. I might stop somewhere else tomorrow. Who knows?
The shadow knows.
Got, I think, 12 contacts total. There was a 3-fer in there, so I don't know the exact number for the activation, but I will definitely have listed it below. There is a lot of noise, mostly because it is storming. There is some storms around here in the Virginia Beach area. So I did wait for the thunder and lightning to pass by, definitely. I waited. There's another stronger storm cell coming up from the south. I don't know if it's going to miss my area where I am just right now. I'm going to grab some lunch, so it don't matter. Yeah, there's a lot of noise. There was some ding-dong. I don't know if it was a person or maybe something from the military in this area causing that noise. I don't know. It didn't sound like someone tuning up or putting a tone through a keyer or something, but it was annoying. I did think about going to the visitor center, but you know what? I'm like looking like a tourist. That's just me. But 20 meters, a lot of noise because of the storm around here. And then, like I said before, there was someone or something causing some QRM. I did not use my tuner, the MAT 10 tuner. SWR is still spot on. It kind of fluctuated like 1 to 1 to 1.1 here and there. But for the most part, it worked fine, flawlessly.
Flawless victory.
So if you like this video and this activation, please give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to learn when new videos will be released. And please leave a comment down below. Tell me what you thought of this video, this activation, or you have any other questions. Again, if you are curious about what gear I used, I list the gear that I used for each activation in the description below. Well, I'm going to go grab some lunch. Thank you all for watching. 73. Yeah, looks a little hazy. That might be my glasses. Nope.